Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Kids, today we will learn numbers 1 to 20. We will trace the number and color them. First what we will do, we will learn name of the colors. Yellow color, sky blue color, violet color, red color, dark green color, light pink color, blue color, orange color, brown color, light green color. Now let's trace the number and color them. This is 1. This is 1. Number 1. Number 1. Orange color. We are doing orange color to 1. Next is number 2. This is number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. We will do light green color to number 2. Which color, kids? This is 2, light green color. Next is number 3. Next is number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. Good. Let's do red color to number 3. Which color? Red color. This is red color, kids. Next is number 4. Number 4. Which number? 4. We will do blue color to number 4. Which color? Blue color. This is number 4. Next number is number 5. Which number is this? See me, kids. 5. Good. This is number 5. Now let's color. Which color? Light pink color. Number 5. We are doing light pink color to number 5. Next is number 6. Which number is this? Number 6. We will do which color to number 6? Yellow color. This is yellow color. Number 6. Next is number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. We will do which color to number 7? Sky blue color. Good. We are doing sky blue color to number 7. Next is number 8. This is, which number is this? 8. Good. Now, which color we will do to number 8? Gray color. This is gray color. We are doing to number 8. Gray color. Which color? Gray color. This is number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. Good. Now, let's do which color to number 9? This is brown color. Which color is this? Brown color. Kids, this is brown color. Next is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Which color we will do to number 10? Tell me. Which color is this? Dark green color. Good. We are doing dark green color to number 10. Next number is 11. 1, 11. Which color? Blue, violet color. This is violet color. We are doing violet color to 11. 1, 11. Next is 12. 1, 2, 12. Which number is this? Number 12. Which color we will do to number 12? Red color. Good. 1 to 12. Red color. Next is number 13. 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? Number 13. We are doing which color to number 13? Orange color. This is orange color, kids. Which color? Orange color. Number 13. Now next number is number 14. 1, 4, 14. This is number 14. Good. Let's color number 14. Which color we are doing? Sky blue color. We are doing sky blue color to number 14. Good. Which color? Sky blue color. Now next number is number 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. Which color we will do to number 15? Yellow color. You are doing yellow color to number 15. Which color? Yellow color. Next is, which number is next? Number 16. 1, 6, 16. This is number 16. We will do which color to number 16? We are doing brown color to number 16. This is number 16. Next is number 17. 1, 7, 17. Number 17. Dark green color. Green color to number 17. Next is number 18. 1, 8, 18. We are doing which color to number 18? Tell me, kids. We are doing which color? Violet color. Number 18. This is number 18. Which number is this? 18. Next is 19. 1, 9, 19. Let's color 19. Orange color. This is orange color. Number 19. And the last number is number 20. We have done grey color to number 20. Kids, today we have learned numbers 1 to 20 with different colors and tracing. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.